Bitcoin currently has an extremely strong bearish pattern printing right this minute. Let me show you what it looks like. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and today I'm going to be giving you an analysis of Bitcoin. We had a pretty volatile weekend with prices oscillating back and forth, and it actually formed an extremely bearish pattern, so I'm going to be showing you that today. I'm also going to be giving you some insight from multiple high-level indicators and metrics. With that, let's get into the analysis. Right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin USD, the TC top and bottom finder on the tradeconfident.io website. If you want to get access to all the metrics you're about to see in this video, be sure to sign up for our membership at the link in the description. It'll give you all access to all metrics and more for just $75 a month. That is incredible value. Now, this was last updated this morning, October 31st. You can see right now that based on the market reversal chart here, it looks like Bitcoin seems to be out of its strong bearish phase. It did see small moves down here and a small move back up, but don't be fooled, guys. We're gonna have to take a closer look at this to see what's really going on. Now, we are currently technically in an uptrend, which is true, but it is going to be very short-lived. This is shown by the fact that the price is above this blue midline here. When the price is above that, we are in an uptrend. When it's below that, we are in a downtrend. But again, I don't think this is going to last for long. It may not look like it, but this is generally bearish sentiment. We are at a strong resistance level where we saw multiple sell signals in the past. We had some of the strongest signals that the market reversal chart has ever shown. And while we are in an uptrend, the pattern is actually going to invalidate that. And I will show you that. But first, let's take a look at some macro metrics. Right now, Bitcoin actually spiked even higher into excited territory, almost near greed. And as the famous quote goes, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Right now, people are excited, almost greedy, and with that, I think we can expect moves down soon. But let's take a look at the trading view chart itself. Right now, I'm looking at the TC top and bottom finder with the signal strength set to 10. I'm also looking at the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow indicators. You can get all these indicators at the link in the description, and I'll show you how to get access at the end of this video. Last week, we had a pretty big pump. Most of the market saw decent moves up, and at this point, a lot of coins have began stabilizing. However, what you are seeing here is called a rising wedge pattern. Most often, this is bearish and it indicates a reversal. The reason being is the whales have pushed tons of money in here and have reached this resistance line. At this point, though, they have begun to lose interest, and this is where retail traders saw a move down and bought the dip. This brought the price back up. It began moving back down again. Retail traders are going to buy the dip again here, and so on and so forth until well money is no longer in it and the price drops. A rising wedge pattern is defined by two upwards moving converging lines. At some point, these two lines will meet. That's what converging means. And both lines are ascending. A rising wedge will just about always start from an upward trend because it is a bearish reversal pattern. So we got that too. We got that move up, choppy candles, and converging ascending support and resistance lines. With that, this is a confirmed rising wedge pattern. And again, this most often breaks out to the downside. The TC top and bottom finder has called this perfectly. Strong sell right at the top, buy signal, sell signal, and we should be seeing a buy signal fairly soon here. The trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow corroborated this as well. Trend exhaustion topped and bottomed out at each of these lines. However, what you're going to see here, and this just further confirms the bearish pattern, you are seeing divergence on the price versus whale money flow. On the price line, we are seeing higher highs followed by lower lows. However, on the price versus whale money flow, which is hugely important, you are actually seeing whales post lower highs and lower lows in how much they're investing. The price versus whale money flow indicator tracks the flow of whale money, and as it falls down, it means that whales are selling. As it goes up, it means whales are buying. And as you can see right here, whales did buy this dip a little bit. It topped out and it's absolutely shooting down, guys. This overall is considered bearish divergence. This means that the price is very likely not going to be supported much longer by bears. In fact, this is really, really low. Right now, we are likely to see a move up probably until this resistance. But again, this bearish divergence overall shows that the price is ripe for a move down. So we know that overall, this is a bearish pattern. We are likely to break out to the downside. I think we're probably going to get one more touch to the top side and move back down. But right here, I think is where we're going to be breaking down. Where are we going next at this point? I think we're going to move down to the $19,500 level right about here to meet this structure support. This has been resistance and support multiple times in the past, as you can see here. and it also fits within the quarters level theory, which means this is going to be a very strong point of support. So if we do break down, especially outside of this rising wedge pattern, I think the first place we need to be looking is $19,500 for that move down. In conclusion, Bitcoin is printing one of the most bearish patterns we've seen in a very long time after the pump we saw last week. This is normal, especially because whales have begun selling off already. They're not really interested in making moves up anymore, and it's retailers left that are buying all the dips that keep happening. And as less and less retailer money goes into the market and out of the market, this is what creates that rising wedge pattern, and very likely whales are going to take advantage of this and drop the price and break down out of the rising wedge pattern. This is further confirmed based on the price versus whale money flow divergence. Here we see that the price versus whale money flow is showing lower highs, whereas the price is showing higher highs, and this shows that whales again are confirmed to be moving money out of the market despite the price rising. When this happens, we can expect very strong moves down very, very soon. At the same time, the TC top and bottom finder has been perfectly calling those buy and sell signals even throughout the rising wedge pattern, which is awesome to see. And with that, if you want to get access to these indicators, be sure to click the link in the description below, and it'll bring you to this page here. In order to get the best deal possible, you're going to want to snag our bundle pack here by clicking the link. It'll come with 9 of trade confidence indicators, including the price versus whale money flow and trend exhaustion that you saw me use in this video. It'll give you lifetime access for a one-time payment, and all source codes are included for these 9 indicators specifically. On top of this, the bundle pack will come with a $400 off coupon for our flagship, the TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal indicators. These are the best indicators we have ever coded, guys. So if you want to get the best deal possible, again, snag that bundle pack first for a $400 off coupon, and you can get all of trade confident indicators for less than just the price of these two. Again, it'll be lifetime access for a one-time payment. You won't get the source codes for these ones, but no matter what you purchase, whether it's the indicators, metrics, or even if you're just a subscriber to the YouTube channel, feel free to email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com for full dedicated support. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching. We really, really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. I'd also love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.